Greetings, salutations, and welcome to this preview video. I'm just going to give you a quick look at what I've been working on for Hephaestus 2.0. We've got Hephaestus 1 sitting here at the moment. I was very inspired by E3D's swappable head design, so I've modelled this off that, and as you can see here we've got a mounting plate with V-grooves here for kinematic coupling and a hole for the latching system. I've also got a small hole for some pogo pins to power the servo on the carriage itself, so that none of the wires have to go to the carriage. Cooling fan for the E3D here, print cooling fan out on the back, that's a 30mm radial fan, and what I think you will be most interested in, and that is quite experimental, is that I have a remote drive extruder here. So as you can see, the hobbed gear is in here, however I am running it via this flexible coupling to a remote Bowden motor. So if I turn this, you can see that this train there, and with the gear ratio, that means that we should get a good amount of torque, a very good resolution, and backlash should not be an issue. And if there is any backlash, we can program it out with retraction distance or extra restart distance, so that should be really good and is quite promising. Run out sensor mounted in here, so that's automatically done as it goes, and all of the wires come up through here to a nice little plug-in supply up here through to Ethernet cables, flat Ethernet cables, so that's going to be nice and small. So yes, please do stick around to see the future videos on this system. I do hope to roll them out slowly over time because I do plan to take time with this project and really work out the kinks as we go. But yes, stay tuned to see that in action, plus the IGUS stuff which should be shipping on its way to me now. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Goodbye.